Good day. We are going to have a brief tutorial on how to promote students from one class or level to another. And so first of all, we need to log in as an admin. Then wait. So on the admin page, we look for promote advance, this particular one. Then from here, you make sure the action is promote. Then what we are going to do is we are going to check whether we have GHS 3. We have GHS 3. We need the GHS 3 to be empty in order for us to move the GHS 2 to that class. And so therefore, if you have not moved the GHS 3 to the alumni, which they have already completed, then we need to do that. So when it is, let's say GHS 3, I'm going to promote them to a destination level of alumni, destination classes alumni, so like that. Then you load the students. These are all the students in GHS 3. GHS 3. So when you use selected, then you run the action. For the purpose of the video, I'll be using the students. That's why I don't want to run the action. So you run the action, or let's run it. The SMS should be turned off. I'm receiving some SMS right now. Notifications to the parents on the promotion. It should be turned off so that your balance will not be chopped off. Emails, and the emails are free. You can use that one, but the SMS, they are not. Um, yeah, you will get a confirmation when everything is done. Yeah, so it's still SMS being sending like that, being sent. So that's what we should avoid. If are less intentional, I want to send it. I've received more than 20, 45 students. I still have more to go. So I'm going to jump from this place. So after you have moved them, yeah, so to make sure, that is to make sure the GHS, the tray is empty. We are moving the GHS. Let me move some of the alumni back. So the only thing is, make sure the GHS 3 is empty. There is no class for them. So you're going to move the GHS, destination level should be GHS. Then the destination class should be GHS 3. So the current should be GHS 2, moving them to GHS 3 to occupy that class, meaning the GHS 2 will be empty. And so therefore we need to focus on that. Move the GHS 1 to GHS 2. Move the basic 6 to GHS 1. Basic 5 to basic 6. Basic 3, basic 4 to basic 5. Basic 3 to basic, in that order until you are done. You can do selections and filter students on who to promote and demote. So this is a quick tutorial on how to promote the students. In summary, the action should be on promote if you are promoting. The current level is the current level of the class you are going to work on. So if you are going to work on GHS 2 to GHS 3, select the current class you are going to move, which is the GHS level. Then the class should be GHS 2. The destination level should be GHS. Destination class should be GHS 3, from GHS 2 to GHS 3. Then you load students. You can do those who are promoting, those who have been promoted, and those who are to be demoted. Then you select then you run what? Action. So that is how to do it. Anything again for us to look, we'll tackle that. I'll be available for that. Thank you very much for your time and have a wonderful moment. Bye.